Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add and subtract like and unlike fractions. But before that, do not forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. One thing that you should bear in mind and not forget in adding and subtracting fractions is we do not add or minus the denominators. We simply copy it. That is why we make sure that the denominators are the same. Let's start with adding and subtracting like fractions or fractions with the same denominators. To do this, we have to follow 3 steps. First, add or subtract the numerators. Second, copy the common denominator. And third, reduce the lowest term. For example, 1/5 plus 2/5. First, let us add the numerators. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then, copy the denominator, which is 5. Last step is to reduce the lowest term, but 3/5 is in simplest form, which means we cannot reduce it. Therefore, this is the final answer. Another example, 4/6 minus 1/6. 4 minus 1 is 3. Copy the common denominator, 6. 3/6 can be reduced. Let us look for the greatest common factor of both 3 and 6. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, their greatest common factor is 3. Let us divide this number to both numerator and denominator. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Therefore, our final answer is 1/2. Third example, 5/20 plus 7/20. 5 plus 7 is 12. Copy the common denominator, 20. Reduce the lowest term. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Their greatest common factor is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Therefore, the final answer is 3/5. Let us proceed to adding and subtracting unlike fractions or fractions with different denominators. We have 4 steps. First, express both fractions to the same denominators by finding the LCD. Second, add or subtract numerators. Third, copy the common denominator. And fourth, reduce the lowest term. First example, 1/2 plus 1/3. Let us find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. List some multiples of each denominator. For 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. For 3 are 3, 6. We can stop here since we can already identify a common multiple, which is 6. And this is their least common denominator or LCD. Tip: if the denominators are prime numbers, which means they have no factors other than 1 and itself, you can simply multiply both denominators to get the LCD. In this case, 2 times 3 is 6. Next, divide the LCD with the denominator and multiply to the numerator to get the equivalent fraction. 6 divided by 2 is 3, times 1 is 3, plus 6 divided by 3 is 2, times 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Copy the denominator, 6. We got 5/6. This cannot be reduced, so this is our final answer. Another example, 4/5 minus 2/15. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15. We can now identify a common multiple, which is 15. Tip: If one of the two denominators is a factor of the other, then we can use the greater denominator as the LCD. In this case, we can identify that 5 is a factor of 15. Therefore, we can use 15 as the LCD. 15 divided by 5 is 3, times 4 is 12, minus 15 divided by 15 is 1, times 2 is 2. Or, you can simply retain this fraction since its denominator is not changed. 12 minus 2 is 10. Copy the denominator 15. We got 10 over 15. To reduce the lowest term, let us identify the greatest common factor of 10 and 15. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. And for 15, 1, 3, 5, and 15. The greatest common factor of 10 and 15 is 5. Therefore, we divide both numerator and denominator with 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. The final answer is 2/3. If this tutorial helped you, please click the like and subscribe button below. That's all for this video. I hope that you learned how to add and subtract like and unlike fractions.